Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about how people get rich with real estate, so make sure to watch the full video. There is no quick way to make money or get rich in real estate, but you can grow wealth gradually and consistently by investing correctly. You are probably aware that there are numerous ways to accumulate wealth, but real estate is one of the most effective. Having said that, making money in real estate or profitable investing requires sound guidance, methods, and determination. While investing in real estate is a proven and true method of earning money, it, like any other business, comes with inherent dangers. If done correctly, real estate can be an excellent vehicle for wealth accumulation if you take the time to educate yourself about the process and the best strategies for maximizing profits. If you have cash, a 20% down payment, getting started in real estate investing is substantially easier. However, the reality is that many entrepreneurs, including those in real estate investing, start their firms with very little money every day. Many of them begin by dreaming big and putting in a great deal of effort. This blog is intended for novices who are interested in learning how to earn money in real estate. Today, investors have a plethora of possibilities for investing in real estate. There is no one-size-fits-all solution. Learning how to produce income through real estate is an excellent approach to diversifying your portfolio. If you have a large sum of money, you may, for instance, purchase an undervalued real estate property, repair it, and sell it to an investor. After the work is completed, you profit from the selling of the property for a significantly higher price than you paid for it. You can also consider buying a long-term rental property or a second home where you vacation and rent out to others when it's not in use if you'd rather leverage your investment by using a mortgage to invest in a tenant-ready property. With the right steps, you could increase your wealth, hedge against inflation, and profit from a rising market. There are so many advantages to owning real estate like leverage, appreciation, tax benefits, that just getting a good deal can make for a great long-term investment. We'll show you how to make money in real estate and avoid the most common mistakes. The most popular way is to buy an investment property and slowly build up your portfolio. Generally, there are two primary ways to make money from real estate assets: appreciation, which is an increase in property value over a period of time, and rental income, collected by renting out the property to tenants. The majority of the money and wealth you build through real estate comes from appreciation, but cash flow is important because it helps in reducing your risk. Buying a rental property that loses money every month in hopes of future appreciation is a bad investment. The positive cash flow doesn't only enable you to pay off the property, but it also contributes to saving for another down payment to buy your next investment property sooner. The more properties you buy, the more you can save, and the faster you can achieve your money-making goals through real estate investing. But we shall discuss some more well-known ways to make money in real estate, which include both active and passive investing. Remember, knowledge is the key to using real estate as a vehicle for wealth building. Smart investors always know what drives markets, how to time market cycles, and whether to invest in a local market or to invest out of state. 5 ways to make money in real estate and get rich. Deeding real estate to your investment portfolio might help you diversify your portfolio of investments. We will discuss how to generate money in real estate through a variety of various methods in this video. Are you looking forward to it? When it comes to real estate, there are a variety of options for starting to build your wealth. Take the first step toward being a successful real estate investor and discover how you too can achieve your goals. 1. Making money in real estate by renting out property. This is the classic way of making money in real estate and getting rich. In this type of investment, you make money by leveraging long-term buy and hold residential rentals. People will always require a place to live. Lords and nobles fought over titles that let them collect rent from those living, farming, and otherwise working the land. A few entrepreneurial types drained swamps and built businesses so that they could make more from the land than they would if they merely leased it out to farmers and ranchers. We've come a long way in the intervening ways, providing many options for those who want to know how to make money in real estate. You may buy land, build a home, and then rent it out. You could find distressed properties, rehabilitate them, and then rent them out. Turnkey properties were purchased by someone else who rehabilitated them before finding a tenant. Regardless of how you acquire the property, it is a buy and hold strategy. You can own residential, commercial, and industrial real estate property. One of the biggest benefits of owning rental real estate is the steady cash flow it generates. It is the best form of owning investment real estate for earning a passive income. The downside of this approach is that you're putting all your eggs in relatively few baskets. If there are issues with the apartment complex you own, the rental income from it suffers as people leave, or the repair costs eat into your profits. This strategy is probably the one most likely to let you generate a steady income that is large enough to live off of once you own multiple rental properties. You may be able to utilize this strategy if you cash out money from a retirement account or equity in your home. If you want to know how to get rich in real estate, understand that this is one of the most secure routes to doing so as long as you manage expenses and the properties themselves well. Dallas is a very good real estate market for buying rental properties. Know the rules for evicting tenants and raising rental rates if you'll be managing an apartment building. Understand the local building code, community norms for properties in the price range you'll be buying, and cost-effective upgrades if you'll be buying and flipping properties. You can't afford to lose money turning a middle-class home into the only luxury property on the block. All of this requires the money to buy the properties. We'd recommend saving up or tapping into funds you have to put down the first down payments on single-family homes or small multifamily housing units. This may come from your savings, equity in your primary residence, or a retirement account. We'd recommend against borrowing against your 401k, since the money has to be paid back within a few weeks of losing your job, or else you have to pay taxes and a penalty on it. You'd almost be better off pulling money out of an IRA. You have more control over the fees and taxes you pay. Set aside thousands of dollars in an emergency fund to cover unplanned repair bills, surprise legal fees, and other costs you haven't properly taken into account. Then, you don't end up cutting into your cash flow with high-interest hard money loans to pay for the little repairs needed to legally rent out the unit or hit your credit cards to pay contractors. Buy a single property with your cash down payment, a mortgage, and your business plan. Set the goal of renting out the unit for 1% of its total value per month. 2. Interest-based income through investing in mortgage notes. Mortgage notes can be a good real estate investment for people seeking passive income. When you buy a mortgage note, you receive monthly payments that include both interest and principal. It is a steady stream of income like you receive from a rental property, but there is no need to maintain the property like a landlord. It is far easier to invest in real estate located around the country because you don't have to deal with local rules regarding real estate licensing or taxes. The mortgage note spells out the loan duration. You know how long you'll receive loan payments, and it may be 10 to 30 years. You may be able to increase the value of the mortgage note by buying from a distressed note holder. For example, you may find a farm or family property sold via owner financing. The person sold their home, but now they have to manage the loan. They may need the money, whether it is to allow them to buy a new home or simply get cash to fund their retirement. In these cases, you might offer $80,000 to buy a $100,000 note. If they accept, you receive the interest and principal on a $100,000 loan, but only paid $20,000 for it. 3. Getting rich by flipping real estate. This is another proven way to make quick money in real estate to get rich. Fix and flip is a specific form of real estate investing. The investor buys a home, pays for repairs and renovations, and then sells the property for a profit. This type of real estate investing is the subject of numerous reality shows. The reality is that this form of real estate investing is high risk. If you've underestimated rehabilitation costs, you could lose money. If you put too much money into the investment property because you don't understand your target market and buyer expectations, you've probably wiped out your real estate profit margins. Whether there are problems with the selling price, the real estate agent, the neighborhood, or how the property looks, Every month the house sits on the market subtracts the property's carrying cost from your profit margin. 4. Making money through real estate investment trusts. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs, allow you to invest in real estate without having to buy and manage a property. REITs may be invested in mortgages, properties, or a mix of both. You can diversify your holdings in real estate by buying REITs invested in particular market niches. Because REITs are publicly listed, you can buy and sell shares on the open market, making your money more liquid and allowing you to diversify your investments. One of the benefits of REITs is their non-correlation with other types of equities. 5. Making money through real estate ETF and mutual funds. You can buy exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and mutual funds that are broadly diversified or targeted to a particular sector. And you can buy ETF and mutual funds that are themselves invested in real estate. For example, it is possible to buy ETF that invest in real estate stocks, such as publicly traded home builders. Some ETF invest in REITs as well. There are mutual funds that invest in real estate developers and property management firms. Both investments are handled by a fund manager. ETF are passively managed, and mutual funds are actively managed. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.